Hello?
Juicebox, it's Nads.
Hey, how you doing?
Formula D is coming up soon. Do you have any design for the graphics yet?
Yeah, I have a few ideas we could maybe use.
Good.
This isn't working.
Modern Image, this is Robert.
Hey Rob, it's Pat Mordaunt. How you doing?
Hey Pat, how's it going, man?
Not too bad. Just stressing on a car design for my drift car.
When are you gonna be racing?
We'll be racing April 12th at Streets of Long Beach, so we're kind of crunched on time here.
Streets of Long Beach, huh? Isn't that like 2 days away?
Yeah, I think so.
No worries, man. Just load the car up, bring it down here. You know we got you. I'm Robert Wilson from Modern Image. Just talked with Patrcik Mordaunt, and seems like he needs a little bit of help with his graphics for this drift car. It's gonna give you guys a little quick sneak peek into the Modern Image world. Let's check it out. You actually have two choices. If you have your own artwork and layout, you can bring that to us and we can work directly from that. In Patrick's case, he didn't have a layout, so our team of art directors in-house came up with a few different comps for him.
My name is Max Sigward. I'm the Senior Art Director here at Modern Image Signworks in Huntington Beach, California. We take customers' graphics that are provided, I clean them up and make them fit the particular application, or we create from scratch graphics for people's needs. We've worked on quite a few race cars, more recently a lot of drift cars, Dyes Bridgestone cars, Reese Millen, Stefan Papadakis, 350Z, and the S2000. One of our designers, Tio Garcia, had come up with the bonsai swoops and swirls all throughout with some of the cherry blossoms to emulate some of an Asian-inspired design for riceboytv.
So now we have the design all ready. We're going to go ahead and send it to the plotter here. So we got the riceboytv setup that's going to go on the hood of the car. We're going to go ahead and send that over to our rolling plotter. Basically, there's a knife in this holder here that's cutting the design. Once it's done cutting, we'll bring it into the back, do what we call weeding, taking all the excess material off, put the transfer paper on it, and be ready to be able to install it on the car. All right, well, we got the graphic that Max and Tio designed, and we already had it cut on the plotter. We already prepped the car, cleaned it with just your traditional soap and water, make sure any tar or grease is off of it, in your jams, around your door handles. Just the cleaner you can get it, the better the application is going to be. We're just doing a little dry fit test just to make sure that all the sizing, scaling worked out right. Everything's going to be in its right place. We have our little layout right there on the window, so it looks like everything's going to fit right. We have our solution that's soapy water. You can use any kind of dishwashing soap, just a couple drops of dishwashing soap in a full bottle, and that'll be your magic solution. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to peel the backing paper off of the sticker. Now that we got the adhesive side exposed, we're going to go ahead and spray our soap and water solution. It's going to neutralize the glue right now. Let us put it on there, slide it around, get it where we want it. Then you go ahead and spray down the car too. Again, get it nice and wet. Now you can put it up there and see with the soap and water now, we can just kind of slide it around, get it and figure out where we want to be with it. So now we have it all squeegeed down. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put some water on top of the transfer tape. What it's gonna do is kind of start breaking down this glue on the transfer tape. It's gonna allow that transfer tape to come off easier. It's not gonna have as much of a pull wanting to take the graphic back off of the car. Checking out everything, make sure there's no bubbles. We'll go ahead and start making our cut lines in the door jambs. Nice sharp X-Acto knife you can get from the arts and crafts store, and you're just gonna run right along the fender well here, make your cut. That way we can get rid of some of this excess material here. Again, this is gonna have to dry up, and we'll come back at the very end and go over all these edges. We like to run the blade on the door side itself. So you're gonna have a nice cut on the door, and then into the fender is where you're gonna have your extra material that's gonna roll to the inside. Hey Patrick, how's it going?
Good, how you been?
Good, man. We got your car all ready. You want to check it out?
Yeah, great.
All right, Patrick. Here it is, man. Wow.